Hi everyone, welcome back to the Vinafriq channel, your local guide to all things African. Here we teach you about the African methods to doing everything in this life. It's ridiculous, I know. But on this particular episode, this episode is called Vinafriq Game Time. And here, we're your guide to African local games. We teach you everything about African local games. We break it down, we teach you the song, we teach you how to play it, and then it gives you an opportunity to have a fun interactive session with your friends and fun interactive section with your kids if you're a parent. It's a way for you to interact with them without screens. When you're like, no screen time. You're like, Mommy, I'm so bored. You're like, come my dear, how about you learn this African game and we do it together? So it's like, oh, it's so cute, you create fun memories. Oh, me and my mom, we used to do this together. Me and my dad, we used to do this together. Family time, game night. Oh my goodness. So yeah. And today's game is going to be Cinderella dressed in yellow. Don't ask me why she's dressed in yellow. I don't know. I cannot tell you. But Cinderella's dressed in yellow in this game, and she went upstairs to do something and made a mistake. And anyways, you learn it in the song. So how about I show you what Cinderella dressed in yellow is all about, and you get the gist of it before we break it down and I teach you the game song.
Cinderella dressed in yellow, went outside to kiss a fellow. By mistake she kissed a snake. How many doctors does she need? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So now that we've seen what the game is all about, as you can see, it's fun when it's a lot of people. But before we get down into the breakdown, how about I teach you the game song? And let's not forget, I am not a Grammy Award winning recording artist. All I am is somebody who knows how to play some African local games. So don't expect any trills in my voice or any fizzy or whatever. So here it goes. Cinderella dressed in yellow went upstairs to kiss a fellow. By mistake she kissed the snake. How many doctors does she need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the song. So now we're gonna break it down. So in breaking down this game, everybody's going to be in a big, huge circle. You're going to place your right hand on top of your neighbor's left hand. And on the other side, another person's right hand is going to be on top of your left hand. So the idea of it, you have to smack the next person's hand and pass it round. That's what it's called. You basically pass it round. So you're smacking each other's hands. You're clapping each other, not smack. You're clapping each other's hands. So you're clapping your neighbor's hands according to the song. So it's like Cinderella dressed in yellow upstairs. So like your claps are like the beat for the song that is being played, And then the faster it is, the more interesting it is because you can catch the person at 10 faster. So it's like Cinderella dressed in yellow went upstairs to kiss a fellow. By mistake she kissed the snake. How many doctors does she need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Before the person can even count 10, just give the person on the hand. So the idea of it is you either count to 10 or you count to 5. So all of you, before you start, you decide how far you want to go, how long you want to drag it, So you can decide to count 5, you can decide to count 10. But the thing is that as at 10, whoever is supposed to slap the hand is supposed to enter some really, really, really sharp survival skills, because the essence of it is that you have to hit that person's hand on 10. If the person knows that you're coming for me at 10, so the person is going to try to slide their hand out, and you cannot hold the person's hand. So it's a whole thing of just, who is going to be the sharpest person here? Shall I survive or shall I be hit? That's the number 10. So if you're able to hit the person's hand, the person is out of the game. If you are not able to hit the person's hand, then you are out of the game. That's how it works. And then the circle becomes smaller and smaller and smaller until we have only 2 people battling it out and just clapping each other's hands until the last final count it is. And if you can hit the person's hand, then you're the winner and you're the ultimate survival. I have no idea what to call the winner. Basically, you've won the game. And amongst your peers, your survival instincts are the greatest. That's what it is. So yeah, that's Cinderella dressed in yellow in a nutshell. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you play it with your friends. I hope it's a fun game for you guys to use to interact. As you can see, it's music, is social activity, social interaction, and it's like an opportunity for you to, fight your debate skills. Like I hit your hand, my finger brushed the hair of your hand, and so therefore, so yeah, it's a really fun game though. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let us know the other games that you would like for us to teach you, or scroll through our channel. We have like a whole lot of games. We have Tinkle, we have My Mother Told Me, we have In and Out, I Call On, we have all sorts of games really. All sorts of African local games that aid social interaction, because the screens are taking over. So don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to Vinafriq. Share, like, comment. Always drop a comment, please. Your comments encourage us. They do encourage us, please. Send us some encouragement. It's not easy. We just want to know that you're enjoying what we're doing. It's nice. It's just nice feedback to have. And then you can share the videos or pictures of you and your friends playing. And we'll be happy to share it on our social media. Follow us on our social media.